working?
Yeah. You don't have to hold it.
You don't have to?
No. You're not supposed to hold it. Are you gonna help? What? What about that TV?
From the video.
In that big shack, there was an ATV? I don't understand what you're saying.
Huh? There it goes. Oh, that's a thing.
Look at that. Now the other building only has corner to stand on.
That's going to beat up against the wharf. Look, that's big wave. Back in.
Check the one over here.